Most of us have experienced it. You're calmly preparing dinner, slicing an onion, and within moments your eyes begin to sting and fill with tears. It feels as if your body is reacting emotionally, but the real reason is a fascinating piece of plant science. An onion may look harmless sitting on a kitchen counter, but inside it contains a sophisticated defense system. While the onion is whole, different chemicals are stored separately within its cells. The moment a knife cuts through those cells, the barriers break and the chemicals mix together. This chemical reaction quickly produces a gas called synpropanethyl S oxide. The gas rises from the freshly cut onion and drifts through the air. Because our eyes are moist, the gas dissolves into the thin layer of water covering the eye's surface. Your eyes immediately recognize this as an irritant. Tiny nerve endings on the surface of the eye send an urgent signal to the brain, essentially saying, "Something is bothering me, wash it away." In response, the tear glands start producing extra tears. Those tears are not a sign of sadness. They are part of a protective cleaning system designed to flush out substances that could potentially harm the eye. In other words, your eyes are trying to defend themselves from the onion's chemical attack. Interestingly, onions developed this mechanism long before humans started cooking with them. The chemicals help protect the plant from insects, animals, and other threats that might want to eat it. What we experience in the kitchen today is actually a natural defense strategy that evolved over millions of years. So the next time tears appear while chopping onions, remember, your eyes are simply doing their job, and the onion is doing exactly what nature designed it to do. Have you ever noticed that some onions make your eyes burn intensely while others barely cause a reaction? That's because not all onions contain the same amount of tear-producing chemicals. Stronger varieties, especially many yellow and brown onions, tend to release larger amounts of the irritating gas when cut. Sweeter onions often contain lower levels of these compounds, making them gentler on the eyes. Temperature also plays a role. A warm onion releases gases more easily into the air, while a chilled onion slows down the chemical reaction. That's one reason many cooks place onions in the refrigerator for a short time before slicing them. The way you cut an onion matters too. A dull knife crushes more cells than a sharp knife, causing more chemicals to be released. A sharp blade creates cleaner cuts, reducing the amount of irritating gas that escapes. Scientists have studied this everyday kitchen mystery for years because it offers a remarkable example of how plants and humans interact. A simple onion can trigger a chain reaction involving chemistry, biology, and the nervous system within seconds. What makes the story even more interesting is that the tears themselves are evidence of how efficiently the human body protects sensitive organs. Without realizing it, your eyes instantly detect danger, communicate with the brain, and launch a cleaning response. So while onion tears may be inconvenient when preparing a meal, they reveal something extraordinary, a tiny battle between a plant's natural defense system and the human body's equally impressive ability to protect itself. In a way, every chopped onion becomes a small science experiment happening right in your kitchen.